Alright guys, today I'm doing a quick recipe here. So I got this Daiya macaroni and cheese. Now this is dairy-free cheese, okay? So as you can see, it's made of tapioca. This company's been around for a while. Gluten, soy-free, dairy, lactose-free, as you guys can read. About 5 grams of protein. If you guys want to read the ingredients, pause the video. That's the nutrient panel. Pause the video if you want to read that. So I'm going to be making it with some organic grilled super greens. I got some carrots. I got some chicken breasts that I got at Sobeys. These were on sale. So yeah, so we're going to cook it up and do a quick taste test and tell you what it looks like. So I'm going to unbox this right now because my chicken is all ready to go now. And I did season it with some pepper and salt and all that basic stuff. So let me show you what's inside the box. Here is your brown rice pasta. Here is your cheese sauce. So it's pretty easy. So I'm going to cook this. You don't want to overcook these noodles. It'll look soggy. So you just want to do enough water in there just to make it soft, and then you're good to go. So and then you put in the cheese sauce and you mix it all up and you put it with the vegetables. It actually tastes pretty good. So I'll be right back. So as you can see, the chicken is boiled, and all I'm going to do is put the cheese sauce and just mix it up now. So and once that's done, I'll put it on top of the vegetables and I'll be right back. Alright, so here it is. As you can see, the veggies are in there. Let's do a quick taste test. That is really good. You get the flavor of the herbs. The peppers in there. Actually, it tastes really good. It tastes like regular mac and cheese without the cheese. So definitely check it out, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below. Subscribe to the channel.